Start by clicking on Interfaces menu, then click on Add Interface button. On the drop-down menu that appears, click on L2TP Client. On General tab, set name to Dashernet VPN. Switch to Dial Out tab. On Connect to, set cloud.dashernet.com. On User and Password, use the details that we will send you. Do not use details shown on the video. They are for demonstration purposes. Check the checkbox of Use IPsec. Then on IPsec Secret, use details that we will send you. The rest of options, leave them as they are by default, and click Apply, then OK.